Hello everyone! Related to the world of alarms, today we have prepared a video about how to install an opening sensor in a garage. We assume that you will already have your home alarm system, and you have a garage door that you're interested in protecting. To protect it, you can use this type of aperture sensor that is composed of several parts. The detector has an electronic part that will be connected with the alarm host. One part will be placed on the ground and can be stepped on. And another part will be installed on the door, and that will be mobile. We can install the sensor on the side and close to the ground. The moving part must remain on the door leaf and stick to the ground while the door is closed. Look at their position here. If the door is opened, both parts will separate and the alarm will be triggered. The idea is very simple, although we're going to see the sensor as it really is. This will be the moving part that will be installed on the door leaf. You can use screws to fix it. The part that is fixed to the ground is attached to the transmitter with a cable. The transmitter is available in various designs that can be with or without antenna. Remove the battery protector to start it. You can also screw the base to the ground. Use the double-sided adhesive to fix the transmitter. When the two parts are separated, the transmitter will light the LED and send a signal to the alarm host. You can install it in several positions as works best for you. The sensor is very sensitive and allows you to vary the position of the moving part. Although it is recommended to keep the position horizontal. We hoped you liked this video to understand how to install this type of sensor. And don't hesitate to leave us your comments about this detector.